Every artist gets art block, not because they don't know what to draw, but because they can't see inspiration. But there's always a way. In a world where fabric holds secrets, seeing these crazy outfits and seeing what characters pop out, it's like kinda playing dress up in my sketchbook. So, step 1, selecting the most outrageous outfit to inspire our character. Let your imagination run wild. I usually draw on my sketchbook, but not today because I'm using a thick paper I found a few hours ago.
I should be guarded, not supposed to be honest, yeah. I shouldn't say that I want you, and I'm supposed to play hard.
Okay, canvas is ready. I already have photos to get inspiration from. Now watch as I translate these crazy outfit ideas into paper. Every stroke is a step towards bringing our art to life. But remember, always keep your style. Okay, planning done, and I'm pretty much cool with the one in the left. So let's start sketching. First, start with basic shapes that match the reference of your character in the rough, ugly sketch. And now you can follow up with a good clean sketch. Characters are doodles right, but these guys, they have got to play. Thanks to these white outfits, it's like they are telling me a little secret about drawing little very funny characters. You know, sometimes these characters even surprise me because they come out even great, like they've got a secret agenda and I'm just here to spray the ink. After a clean sketch, you can now start with a detailed sketch. It's funny, isn't it? How a doodle can just turn into a character with its life of its own. Well, makes you wonder what else is hiding in these sketches, right? I know. So yeah, just keep it steady with those details. Draw this character in my own style, makes the magic happen, so don't forget to add your own style and signature to make your own character unique, and add a little bit of detail to your character to get that delicious feeling and depth of context. Yeah. And after hours and hours working, it is finally complete. Enjoy the reveal.
But I will. Is it too right? Is it too real? I was just getting used to being alone, scared of the light and how it might feel to truly love someone. I didn't choose to be open. No, I don't usually fall so fast. Yes, the words I have spoken spill like wine.